Welcome back, welcome back. This is part 3, and we have turned our thing. We've learned how to do electron dots with Cheerios. I want you to turn it over now, write a big CA and a big F, and I want you to do them with the Cheerios. Everybody do calcium and do fluoride. Fluorine. Everybody do calcium and fluorine with your Cheerios. Every table's doing the same one this time. Put your Cheerios on it. So how many dots how many Cheerios does calcium get? 2. How many Cheerios does fluorine get? 7. So put those on.
On the back, we'll write your markers.
Okay.
Between the CA and the F.
So you should have 7 around the F and 2 at CA. Now remember with this one, we were able to make them both happy. Oscar, do you need to have your picture? Are you sure? Anybody who needs to go have their picture made, or say you just hate your picture and you need a new one. They're opening it up now. Anybody needs their picture made. All right, so we've got calcium and fluoride. How many does fluoride want? Remember, what's great? 8 is great. How many does it need to have 8? 1. So take one of your Cheerios and take it away from calcium and give it to fluorine. But there's a problem. Calcium wants none, and it still has 1. So what can we do to fix this problem? Who can it get? Can the calcium give any more to this fluorine? No. So what does he need to do? Who does he need to find? Another fluorine. So this is the parent who has kids, and the kids get split up. Defects comes in, and they split the family up, and one goes to one family and one goes to another one. You might not know these people. I do. I know people with 6 kids, and every kid is at a different family. They got 6 kids in 6 places. Defects came in and did it, okay? So this is what's happening here. Calcium's got another kid. Calcium doesn't get to keep that kid. Calcium doesn't want that kid. So calcium's going to go find another fluorine. So use your marker and do another fluorine. Take that element away from the calcium and give it to the other fluorine. I had to cram mine in down at the bottom. Maybe you can make yours prettier. But take your Cheerios and make it where this one's got 8, this one's got 8, and that one's got none. Now, what about the charge? What charge is fluorine going to get with its 1 extra electron? Negative how many? 1, right? So we're going to put a little negative at that fluorine. What charge is this fluorine going to get with its 1 extra electron? Negative 1. But calcium lost 2 electrons, so what's its charge going to be? Positive 2. Now, are these going to stick together? These positives and negatives? Are they going to attract or repel? They're going to attract. They're going to attract because they're just going to all stick together. These negatives are going to be attracted to that positive, and they're all going to stick together because the opposites attract. So this one's formula the formula for salt is NaCl. But the formula for this is CaF2. It has to have 2 F's. So the formula is CaF2, and it all sticks together. It's not really people, it's not really children. It's little billiard balls that have a charge, and they stick together and they make a compound. When they're stuck together, they're called a compound. All right, does that make sense to you? All right, so now I'm going to stop this again, and we're going to take out the materials, and then if we have time, we'll start the notes again. So science is great. Come back for part 4.